Hey guys, this is Michael Mangelli from MarineMax in Sarasota. I'm standing aboard a brand new, factory fresh 2023 310 SLX from Sea Ray. We're going to start here in the back of the boat. This boat features the brand new 400 V10 motors. A lot of power here, a lot of new technology. It's going to push this boat really well. A lot of comfortable seating here in the back. Backrests easily flip up. Offers some great seating in the back. You can see transom stereo control, a flip down sea deck covered step that goes down to the waterline. And you'll see as we move forward, this boat has sea deck throughout in tan. Throughout the cockpit area and the swim platform. This boat features stone gray interior, LED lighting throughout, fridge, electric grill, accompanied sink. The 310 SLX features this swivel chair, dual occupancy chair here on the side that swings around to face aft for entertaining. Great, well-appointed dash here featuring joystick control, twin screens, SIMRAD setup here, trim tabs, VHF radio, all the stuff you're going to need here on the water. Over here on the port side, nice comfortable head, freshwater sink. As we move forward here, you can see a spot for a bow table, freshwater washdown, and your windlass. So this has been a brief walk on the brand new 2023 310 SLX from Sea Ray. Come see us in Sarasota.